Introducing Claude2, the best Van Damme chatbot out there. Unless you've been living under a rock for the last 6 months, you've probably seen the hype train that is ChatGPT, and I have to admit that it's pretty cool. A friend sent me a movie review of one of my all-time favorite movies and then asked ChatGPT to dumb it down and made my day as it dumbed things down 5 times. I've started to use ChatGPT more regularly in my daily life. For example, if I want to learn about an unfamiliar topic, I'll often open up ChatGPT and ask about the subject for a quick summary. Or if I want to double check a quick fact, ChatGPT is basically a faster version of Google without all the ads, with some obvious limitations. But now we have Bard and Claude. I'm curious to see if we'll have a standout winner or if every company and their mom will have their own custom LLM. I'd love to build one trained on my own random datasets. The battle of the LLM chatbots begins. If you've never heard of it, Claude is a large language model or LLM built by Anthropic. Anthropic, from the words of Claude2, is
an AI safety startup founded in 2021. They develop AI assistants like myself with a focus on aligning AI systems to human values.
They emphasize safety and customizing the AI tools for people's needs. And very similar to ChatGPT or Bard, Claude2 is a personal AI assistant, with the biggest standout feature being its token size. It claims 100,000 tokens or about 70,000 words for context. So you could literally upload your school notes or a book you're writing and then ask it questions about it, or ask for summaries or for outlines, which is pretty wild. Another nice feature I noticed on Claude2's website was that they offer a TypeScript client for their API. TypeScript examples and documentation, 1 point for Claude. If you watched my video trying to call Whisper API, what I didn't post was me trying to get it to work for 20 or 30 minutes with the wrong code because their documentation didn't provide Node.js examples. Having TypeScript in Claude's documentation is very nice. The battle of the AI chatbots is well underway. Who will come out on top? I've already tried ChatGPT's React skills. Maybe I'll give Claude a try to see how it holds up. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see. As always, I'll leave some helpful links in the description, and thanks for watching.